Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. In my case, browser. When your apps are ready, close Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down, click on Apps section, and then select Default Apps. Finally, tap on one of those options, in my case Browser app, and to apply your new downloaded one, just click on it. Lastly, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!